This is the house that manufacturing built. It's been infused with energy that only collaboration and partnership can unlock. I want to welcome you all to mHUB's new home.
This is what it looks like when the city, the state, the federal government, and industry partners come together in pursuit of a common goal.
And creating spaces for collaboration for like-minded people to build communities of practice, to dare and have the audacity then to think next level in blue sky.
It's a win-win for the city and for the state. This is a model for the rest of the country.
Since launching in 2017, mHUB has grown into a national innovation powerhouse, supporting over 500 startups, 200 manufacturers, helping them generate more than $1.1 billion in revenue, launch more than 1,500 products, hire more than 5,200 employees, and raise over $1.5 billion in capital.
This is like a multiplier here.
I think of this building as ground zero for our city and our country and our nation for manufacturing the future.
The mHUB investment was one of the smartest investments we ever made.
This was a Herculean accomplishment.
To the entire mHUB team, congratulations on today's grand opening, and thank you for investing in the promise of Illinois, of Chicago, and its people.
It takes community to come together to create generational investment opportunities like these. And I'm proud to say that even after $2.5 billion of economic activity, we are just getting started.